are the shapes. We are a family. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. I am a square. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am octagon. I have 8 sides and 8 corners. I am hexagon. I have 6 sides and 6 corners. I am pentagon. I have 5 corners and 5 sides. I am a circle. I have no sides. I have no corner. I am oval. I have no sides. I have no corner. I am a heart. I am a star. I have 5 corners.